Hello, I'm Dan,
I'm Josiah.
and we're here to inform you about TinkerCAD.
TinkerCAD is a free online 3D modeling program that runs in your web browser.
It's easy to use, pick up and go 3D software.
It's useful for visual aid and for learning.
Let's start by going to TinkerCAD and clicking on the Sign In or Sign Up buttons in the upper right hand of the page.
There you can click New Design to get going.
Once you hit New Design, you'll notice the work plane.
Work plane is going to be ground zero for all of your creations.
Starting on the right side, you'll notice the work plane. This allows you to make a secondary work plane to use later.
Beside the work plane is the ruler that allows you to change the dimensions of your objects in the work plane.
So let's start by making a square. Click it in the right hand side of the screen, bring it over to the workplace, then click again.
If you look at the top left corner, you'll notice the stack together squares. This is used as a copy tool. Left of the clipboard in squares is the paste tool. Notice that it pastes to the side of the object that you would call on. If you click the box beside it, it duplicates items. Notice that this copies the block inside the already existing block.
Hitting the undo button will undo your last action, while redo will redo your last action. The delete button will only delete your current object you're on, but you already know that.
Having an object selected on your screen will show you the specificity for that object. Hitting the light bulb in this menu will hide the object. If you hit the light bulb in the top right corner, this will make all the objects unhidden, visible again.
Selecting multiple objects, open a new option in the top right group. This allows you to group two more objects. This allows you to move and manipulate them together.
Or to add a third object to this group, or to group them together as well, would all move together. If you were to ungroup them, this would keep the original grouping intact, but delete the second group. This ungrouping works sequentially. So if you were to ungroup again, it would allow these to have options again.
Clicking the objects again, you'll notice the Align tool. It allows you to align two faces of objects.
If we add a third shape, say a pyramid, add group these three items together, you'll notice that the flip icon appears.
By clicking the flip icon, you can choose which axis you can flip. These grouped objects on. If you click the arrow button at the bottom of the screen, this will flip the pyramid to the other side, and vice versa.
If you were to look under the undo and redo buttons, you'll see the view cube. This allows you to change the perspectives of your work plane. You can also use the right mouse button on the work plane to move it to have the same effect.
Home view makes the work plane put you between front and top wheels, and all in view zooms to the object all in one closed space.
Using the plus and minus keys, you can zoom in or zoom out. This is also optional by using the scroll wheel on your mouse.
The orthographic and perspective view changes your work plane's angle for a new perspective.
Thank you for listening.
This has been a short breakdown of TinkerCAD's functions.